IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Are you a patient person? Band 5. Answer.
Not really. I think I get angry fast when things are slow. For example, if I wait in line, I feel bored quickly. I try to be calm, but it's hard for me.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Hesitant. Basic linking. For example, but. Limited expansion. Lexical resource. Simple words like angry, slow, bored. No idiomatic or precise vocabulary. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences. Minor errors but meaning clear. Pronunciation. Generally understandable, though rhythm may be uneven. Typical of a Band 5. Basic communication with limited range. Ideas expressed simply and sometimes repetitively. Band 7.5 Answer.
I'd say I'm fairly patient, especially in situations that I can't control, like traffic or waiting in long queues. Of course, I do get frustrated sometimes, but I've learned to take a deep breath and distract myself instead of losing my temper.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, well-organized with natural linking, especially, of course, instead of lexical resource. Good variety. Frustrated, distract myself, lose my temper. Grammar. Mix of complex and compound sentences with accurate control. Pronunciation. Clear, natural rhythm. Minor lapses possible. Typical of a Band 7.5. Fluent, flexible language use. Minor errors do not affect understanding. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, I'd consider myself quite patient. I've realized that getting irritated rarely changes the outcome, so I prefer to stay calm and focus on something productive while waiting. Patience, to me, is more about mindset than circumstance. It's choosing composure over chaos.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless flow, sophisticated transitions, well-developed idea. Lexical resource, precise, idiomatic vocabulary. Irritated, productive, composure over chaos. In grammar, wide range of complex structures with flawless accuracy. Pronunciation. Fully natural, expressive, and easy to understand. And typical of a Band 9. Natural, articulate, and idiomatic with full control over language. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.